How to fix Fiverr not receiving messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Fiverr not receiving messages. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So when you're facing this issue, you don't even receive messages in Fiverr, or if you receive messages, it does not get shown. So if that's the issue that you're facing, what you need to do at first is make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. So check your internet connection and make sure that the network is not an issue. After you've done that, what I recommend you guys do is clear out your Fiverr's cache. For that, head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, go to General. After you're on your General, search for iPhone storage. There we go. And on iPhone storage, you will need to find your Fiverr app. So just find your Fiverr, and there we go. So all you have to do now is offload the app. Tap on offload and confirm the offload of your application. After you offload the app, reinstall it, and that should clear out your cache for Fiverr. After doing that, the final thing that you can do is head over to your App Store, and on your App Store, simply search for Fiverr. After you search for Fiverr, if you see an update available like this, simply tap on the update button and update your Fiverr app. What this does is that this will fix any type of bugs and issues which might be causing the problem in your Fiverr. So yeah, updates come with fixes and patches, so that should fix the issue for you. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.